So I am here for an inspection in Tennis 2 Estate, and as you can see, that's the gate. Then this is Tennis 2. So we are going inside Tennis 2 so that you can see the available properties inside Tennis 2. This other side is Tennis 1, then this side is Tennis 2. So as you can see, it's very close to Centenary Gate. So it is a buy and build property here in Centenary City, and it is good for your dream home. It is a luxurious estate, okay, and it is sharing boundary with Spotters Lifestyle Estate. So if you're looking for your dream buy and build property to build your dream home in, Tennis 2 is the best option for you.
Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you here with me. Today I have an exciting opportunity to share with you inside Centenary City Enugu. Now, if you have been looking for a perfect plot of land in the city of Enugu to build your dream home, then this video is for you. Now, I'll be taking you to one of our most secure estates inside Centenary City. Now, this part by my right is all of Tennis 2 Estate. So if you're interested in owning a plot of land in Centenary City, but you're scared of the current demolition that is going on in Centenary City, now is the perfect opportunity and time for you to meet this side of Centenary City that is 100% secure. Now, inside Centenary City and Tennis 2 Estate is your best bet at making your dream home come true without the fear of demolition or without the fear of anything happening to your property in the future, because it is 100% safe and secure, and it is also backed up with good documents like C of O, deed of assignment, power of attorney, and so on. Now, this is a 612 square meter plot. There are two plots in this particular location, and as you can see, it's a corner piece. It is currently selling for 58 million naira. So if you're interested in this property, you can go ahead and call me now to secure your plots here in Centenary City. Now, with the stunning features and prime location, this is an amazing estate you don't want to miss out on. As you can see in this video, Tennis 2 Estate is close to Centenary City Gate, making it an ideal stop for you. This estate offers you a chance of becoming a part of this luxurious, fast developing community. Whether you're a first-time landowner or you're an experienced investor who is looking for a property to buy and build your dream home in, or to buy and build to resell in the future, this is the perfect place and the perfect home for you. This is a built-up environment with a lot of beautiful homes already in place, giving you a sense of belonging. Now, plot of land available for sale in this location is measuring from 608 square meters, 612 square meters to 838 square meters. They also have 700 square meters, 712 square meters, and it is currently selling for 58 million naira to 72 million naira, which is slightly negotiable with the owner. Okay, so act now that you have the opportunity to own a part of Centenary City that is 100% secure and safe for you, because the prices will keep appreciating in value and it will be sold out before you know it. Now, with the security inside Centenary City, you have peace of mind knowing that you and your loved ones with your property is 100% secure and protected. Now, if you're ready and excited to build your dream home today, Tennis 2 Estate ensures a steady and vibrant environment for you and your family, and the community is also amazing. As you can see, it is in a built up and a very secure environment. You'll be experiencing steady electricity, a serene and secure environment with great amenities like a drainage system, good access road, water supply, recreational facilities, and so much more. So if you're looking for a place where you can buy and start building immediately, Tennis 2 is the perfect choice for you. So make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity to own a future and to secure your plots here in Tennis 2 Estate. So don't miss out on this opportunity to own a future in Centenary City Enugu today. Alright, so go ahead and call me right now on the number that is displayed on your screen, 091 3503 2736, to secure your plots here in Tennis 2 Estate. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more real estate insights and deals like this one here in Enugu State. Happy investing and see you on the next one. Bye.